Do you know why it is so hard for some network marketers to do network marketing? There could be many reasons, but the main reason is they are probably approaching people who don't want to do the business. I mean, isn't it true? Because the upline or leader would probably say, go out there and share with your friends and family. Now, I'm sure that method works, mainly to overcome rejection. But the real answer to making network marketing business work is simply this. Share the business to those who are looking for the opportunities. Or at least those who are interested to learn more about your network marketing business, right? It's the old adage of saying, you cannot sell ice cream to an Eskimo. You have to present the offer to the right market. And it is very unlikely you'll find that among your circle of friends or even contacts. This is why the answer lies in the strangers market, where there are countless of prospects available on the internet today. If you can attract them to you, wouldn't it be easier to recruit and in fact be more enjoyable and less stress to build a network marketing business? And if this makes sense to you, check out my workshop, The Recruit Empire. This is how to build your MLM business so much faster and easier from home with the internet, regardless of whether you are a beginner or an experienced networker in MLM. Go ahead and check it out now. Keep it easy and all the best.